Hello everyone and welcome to another Voluta digital release form tutorial. Today we're going to be showing you how to manage your client database in the app. The app we're using today was specially designed for teaching you about the basic functionality across all of our release form apps, so it will be the same steps no matter which app of ours you're using. Let's jump right in. First up, we'll get into the app and head to settings. It'll ask you to enter your employee passcode. The default is 1234, or if you changed it, use your custom passcode. If you'd like to know how to set up a custom passcode, click the pop-up in the top right to watch the tutorial. Now we head into the settings and enter the master passcode to get into our settings menu. Scroll down until we find the database options, and here you'll be able to look through client lists, reports, and backup data. The first option we have is the client list viewer. From here you can browse through all the clients that have used the app and browse by date, name, and you also have the option to remove duplicates or manually upload them to the cloud. All of our release form apps are designed to be used offline and will automatically sync and upload new forms the next time you connect to the internet. If you wanted to re-upload a specific client, this is the option you would use. In the database options, we can also export a list of our clients or back up your entire client database to your linked cloud account. If for any reason you ever lose the client data on your device, you can head to this menu and use the Restore Client Database function to download that backup onto your device. In many of our other apps, you'll have the additional feature to export financial reports by employee, date range, or both. Like all of our other options, this information will be backed up to your cloud. When you're done changing any options in the settings menu, just tap Save and Verify, and success. All of your changes have been saved. Thank you for watching this Voluta digital release form tutorial. Be sure to check out our YouTube channel with more tutorials on how to set up and best utilize your app. And don't forget, if you're ever offline and unable to watch one of our videos, you can always head into your app and go to our How to Set Up and Use FAQ, and when you are connected, use our support page for more help.